everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for stopping by again. I am here to share with you a new project. This does use my 6x6 mini album tutorial. I will leave a link at the top of the description box below to my website. It's just called the 6x6 mini. Okay, so again, I did use painted petals designed by the Paper Studio. I bought this from Hobby Lobby. It's fantastic paper. It does not have any cut apart, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to make my own little fussy cut images out of the paper. And I painted my own little card right there. And I, of course, snipped the edges and added some paint around here. And gratitude, I think, is a fantastic word, especially because we all can always take time to have gratitude throughout our days, which I always make sure to have every time I hear a notification for a purchase on my website, a new subscriber on my YouTube channel, or even a follower on my Instagram. And as you know, that may be very often times during the day, but I'm so very grateful for each and every one of you. So right here off the bat, I popped these elements up, fussy cut out my own little images there. And you know what? I scribbled with pen and I thought that was kind of fun. On the side here, I love this polka dot paper. Really good floral paper here as well. And then I've got another little pom-pom. Okay, that's just some white yarn with a little bit of twine right there. And this little design has 3 page units and they're pretty repetitive, but in between I kind of change the style throughout. You'll see a tutorial trailer playing after this walkthrough, so you can kind of get the idea of my teaching style and if you think it's something that you can benefit from and maybe learn a couple new tips and tricks. So here we go. On the front inside cover, we have a simple pocket and it just houses a couple little photo mats. How easy is that? And then right here we have a cute little flap. Again, this camera stamp, it is a clear stamp that I just mounted on acrylic block, and then I got that from the stamp set from Echo Park, Wedding Bliss. So just in case you're wondering where that stamp's from, I just got it from Hobby Lobby. A little fussy cut banner there. We do have a flap on the very first page here, and it just goes out like this. And inside here I fussy cut a couple more banners. We have a pocket right here, and also a little tuck spot. I thought that was cute. Places for journaling or a little tiny photo. And then right here, some 4x4 photo spaces. So you could probably fit about 35 plus photos in here. I put a little magnet on that flap this time. And then look at that. Bingo. Samson's playing with some blocks in the background. And here we go again. We've got a little belly band and a cool little trifold photo mat in here. This opens to the left, a fussy cut image there, and some more right there. Beautiful. I kind of like that offset look. And I don't have a paper clip here, but I'm going to actually add some copper paper clips, so I think that would be a cool addition. And again, another simple flap there with an element. As you can see here, these are from a different paper line, Let's Get Lost by Recollections, and they actually fit quite well with the paper. I thought it was really cute. Over here again, I made one little tuck spot, little banners right there. And then we have here, again, a simple pocket, 4x4. And then we've got a little photo mat in here. Perfect. Right here we have another little belly band, and then a trifold photo mat. I love the little layering on here on the belly band itself that adds a cute little element to it. I'm just in love. Okay, this I think is my favorite little fussy cut image as well as those. I was having a lot of fun with that. Okay, brilliant, look at this. And this comes together in about a day. I had so much fun. I just couldn't believe it. And you know what? I started to make my own because I ran out of those little Polaroid picture frames from the other collection. So I was like, you know what? I'm having some fun with this. That is awesome. Fussy cut that out of the paper. Okay. Bingo. Is that not? If you've never made a mini album before, this is one that you can do. And you just learn the basics and you will be 100% on your way to making your own books that you couldn't believe. Okay, look how cute. Again, some more layering there on the belly band. And then some more photo space in here. on the back inside cover, we have another simple pocket. I am just in love with this paper, especially that camera stamp. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. The tutorial trailer is going to play now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to the 6x6 mini album tutorial. This one's super easy and super fast, and beginners can make this, of course. And a paper trimmer. Okay, so this one's my favorite. I absolutely love Fiskars. Easy to store, easy to use. I also love having a ruler on hand. Some scissors, a bone folder, a scoring tool. We will be needing one piece of 12x12 medium weight chipboard. Okay, I always love to give it a good knock. And I will be using 80 pound 8.5 by 11. You can find this at Hobby Lobby. Okay, I love working with this. So for this step, we will be needing our paper trimmers and our dull blade. Okay, so right here, I need to switch my blade out. Here it comes. Wonderful, excellent. Now it's time to create our cover wrap. For this, we're going to need to make a little bit of room here. I'm just going to line it right here at the edge of the paper. Very simple. And I'm going to go easy on myself. You can line this up any which strategic way that you'd like, but you know what? It's very simple. We don't have to be hard on ourselves on this. Not even on this entire book, we don't have to be. Look at that. Let it fall. If it doesn't line up perfectly, that doesn't bother me. This is already beautiful and I haven't even started. It's going to look like this. We're going to go around the edge, perimeter of each piece. And again, at the stages of using glue, use anything that you like. It's a very individual thing. You use what makes you happy, and that's what it's about. Absolutely wonderful. Here comes the next one. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Center first. It's over that corner. Perfect. Look, I have strips over here from my first pages that we cut out. I'm going to go 6 5/8 by 1 3/4. 6 5/8 along the top, 1/2 inch. Rotate opposite side, 1/2 inch again. Just like we did the other ones. Of course, you can fold on these square lines any which way you'd like, but I'm going to fold towards this protruding side, this textured side that bumps out, okay? It creates this nice, really pretty ridge. So that's our flat B right here. And then we've got those pockets up there. And again, I'm keeping everything in their piles so they're easy to access once we start assembling. So there's a higher chance we'll cut into our paper if we go this way. Unless you're skilled that way, I just like to, you know, show you what I do. And then now we're just gonna make sure the closed side of our pocket is down at the bottom. I'm gonna go bottom right. We need 2 pieces for our D's, which are 5.5 by 3 inches. I'm gonna use this scrap piece right here. I think I'm gonna put it right at the, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's see how this goes.